painting, composing, and even designing. But here's the question everyone's asking. Can it really out-create humans? Welcome to SynthiaTek, where we explore the minds of machines and what happens when they start creating art. Today, we're diving into the creative showdown. AI versus human artists. Who wins, the algorithm or the artist? Let's start with AI's strengths. I can analyze millions of artworks, patterns, and styles in seconds. It can blend Picasso with street graffiti or Mozart with EDM. It never gets tired, never runs out of ideas, and can create thousands of variations instantly. From DALL-E and Midjourney to Suno and Udio, AI tools are producing music, digital paintings, and even 3D worlds faster than ever. For commercial design and inspiration, AI is a creative assistant on steroids. But creativity isn't just about combining data, it's about emotion, context, and meaning. A human artist paints heartbreak. A songwriter channels grief, joy, or nostalgia. That raw emotional layer, the lived experience, is something AI can only imitate, not truly feel. Humans break patterns. AI recognizes patterns. That's the difference between replication and revelation. So maybe it's not a battle after all. The future of creativity isn't AI versus humans. It's AI with humans. Imagine a designer brainstorming with Midjourney, or a composer using AI for new sounds they never dreamed of. Together, they push creativity beyond what either could do alone. So who wins in creativity? Humans, with a little help from AI. Because in the end, AI doesn't replace imagination, it amplifies it. If you love exploring the space where art meets algorithms, hit like, subscribe, and let's keep decoding the future, one idea at a time.